Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up alerts and notifications in the NatWest app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right out the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. NatWest alerts help you stay on the top of your account activity. To do it, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the NatWest application, and then once you're inside there, simply log in using your secure key, fingerprint or PIN. Then once logged into your account on the home screen, what you need to do is either tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen, scroll down and then select settings, and inside settings select alert or notifications, or just simply tap at the notification or bell icon on the top right in the home screen. Then once you're inside there, you can enable alerts for card transactions, low balance alerts, direct debits or standing orders, unusual account activity, and toggle on for the alerts you want. Then next is to customize frequency and method. Some alerts allow you to choose push notifications directly on your phone, email alerts and SMS alerts as well. Select the method you prefer for each alert type. Then lastly, all you gotta do is tap on save or confirm if needed, and you're done, and the app will now send notification based on your preferences. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope